This HORTIFAN plant cover roll provides a very generous 7-foot by 100-foot sheet, making it easy to protect long rows of vegetables, berries, or flower beds in one continuous run. The non-woven fabric is light and breathable, yet has enough body to shield plants from frost, cold wind, and harsh sun without smothering tender growth. I appreciate that the material can be reused across seasons, since it resists tearing and does not develop the unpleasant odors that some cheaper covers do. In real garden use, it noticeably buffers nighttime temperature drops, helping cool season crops and young transplants ride out unexpected cold snaps. Because the fabric lets in both light and water, you can leave it in place for extended periods while plants continue photosynthesizing and receiving rainfall or irrigation. The roll can be draped directly over beds, secured with soil or stakes, or cut and shaped around individual shrubs and perennials, giving a lot of flexibility for different garden layouts.